I'm that nigga from Trabass TV.
Hey, what going?
How are you?
I'm good.
Hey Andrew, how are
What
you?
going? Damn.
You good?
You look sexy, same way, man.
No, gotta keep it tight. How you been? What's going on here?
Just there, easy as it. I wait for a friend and thing.
Okay. You need a ride or anything?
No.
Sure?
I don't like it. This is not you.
Oh, it's not yours.
No,
You
no,
sure?
man.
'Cause I
Yeah,
remember
man,
that's the same one.
No, I don't like it. How far? Me not tell them something. What you talk about?
Andrew, you sure it's not the same car that broke down on 95 the other day? No?
No.
No.
Mine did white. This dark white. Look there. No, my car. I'm a friend. Him gone over there for some water.
Oh.
Yes. So I go on with you. Oh, life.
Good, you know, I have this wonderful boyfriend now. He takes me on vacations. He bought me a new car. You see it? You see it?
Come over here talk about new man.
So great.
True, she don't know man not get no pussy from what you know. No girl no want man, you know. You are sexy sick. I wanna let me fuck it
Blah,
right.
blah, blah. Watermelon.
Yes, it did good too, you know.
So, how's your new girlfriend?
New girlfriend?
Yeah.
Oh, you know, say, me have a new girl and I Queen of England granddaughter me I talk to.
Oh, really?
She's sexy. And next week we forgot
So you like
Dubai.
white- You like white girls? Then?
She white?
Oh. Well.
And next week we forgot Dubai. One of them things there. You know?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, she love me like cook food. Love me.
Right, and you're lying. But you know what?
No, like.
Yes, and that's
I'm on my
why
phone.
I can't take it no more.
She follow me on
because
Instagram.
I have a good boyfriend who can give me a car, who can take me to vacation, take me to carnival. I can do all these wonderful things instead of put up with you. I'm done.
Yo.
So what is it?
Yo.
Right.
You can ask you something.
Sure. Okay. All right. Get it out.
Alright.
Okay, geez.
Alright.
All right.
Him would bigger than mine. Come, I see you ask question that you know. Come here.
Them a walk with a load Glock. Want see me in a board box. Same friend when me put up a straw back. Never deserve a space for my Kodak. Let them in on your network and get hurt. When you do the right thing, them want you left hurt.